Yeah, China with bands. China with bands is everywhere, right? Middle school this time.
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so China bands is everywhere, man.
China about you everywhere. China about you everywhere.
Everywhere.
China about you
Exactly.
everywhere.
Thanks. Hello, I'm Hamish. Let's get started. So, I'm Hamish, right? So if you FaceTime here, make sure you come right here. You subscribe, okay? Let's get started. So the question here is Sarah's friend Rose, okay? Sarah's friend Rose, so her name is Rose. What happened to Rose? She's in London. So she's also a waitress. So she's a waitress, but she earns only a basic salary of 3.5 per hour. Oh, 3.5 pounds per hour. Oh, that's the basics, but it could be a lot of money. It's me, as a former homeless. That one probably can spend it. Let's see, let's convert it into African money. 3 pounds, if you convert into rand, it's a lot of money, man. You know what I'm saying? Because if 1 pound is 11 rand, 1 pound is 11 rand, so it means for 3.5, so let's say, okay, so 1 pound is 11 rand. So let's say on a particular day, the exchange rate was, so now we're gonna come here. So we have rand in pounds. So we have rand here, and here we have a pound. Okay, so if it's 1 pound, here how many rand is 11.5? 11.5. So now she earned how much a day? Oh, she earned 3.5 pounds. Oh, so I can change that if I want, to how many rand. So we know every hour how much this patient is going to get. Okay, or if you don't want to do that, so we know for facts 1 pound is equal to 11.5. Okay, let's leave this. Now let's come here. So let's say she's going to work per hour, but now they say how much did Rose earn if she worked for 6 hours? Oh, 6 hours? Now we're going to say, okay, so 1 hour, 3.5. So we're going to say this 3.5 pounds per hour, so we must multiply by 6. So we know for 6 hours how much she did get. So you multiply, you're going to get 21. Multiply this and this, you're going to get 21 pounds. So for 6 hours, she's going to get 21 pounds. In pound. Oh, 21 pounds. Okay. So now we want to know this money. We want it to be in rand. Rand is South African money. We want to change this amount for 1 hour. Then we multiply by 6 because she worked for 6 hours, which you get 21 pounds. So we want to change this money now to rand. Okay, so I'm going to come to the exchange rate. In my exchange rate, if I have 1 pound equal to 11.5, what happened? This is pounds. Now we want to know if it's 21 pounds. So you see this pound? You're right here under the pound. In here in pounds. 21 what? Pounds. So we want to know how much in rand. I don't know rand. Okay, so what you can do, you can cross. So okay, cross multiplication. Say x times 1 equal to x. Because 1 times x equal 21 times 11.5. 21 times 11.5. And then this is going to give you the value of x. With the value of x, you plug in the calculator, it's going to give you 241.5. So this is going to be rand. Means if I'm going to work for 6 hours and earn this amount in rand equal to this amount. So our x, which amount I'm looking for, is 241.5, which is the rand. It's just a waste of time. You do this question, and it's easy like that, man. Thanks a lot. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, I believe in learning from how I do things. If FaceTime, make sure you subscribe, and you can just go and do donation to our Patreon page. I have a Patreon, I have a GoFundMe. You know what I'm saying? I have all the means of donation because to make this project going, any type of donation, the little that you think is too small for you, it could make a lot of change. And thanks a lot for all your time. Subscribe, don't forget, share this video, circulate to a lot of people, because the meaning of this project, this program, is to help as many as we can. Okay, it's not only for one person or two, because you might think it's not helpful for you, but for somebody next out there, it could be very, very helpful. So thanks a lot, man. And any donation that you did to me, it means so much. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot. Go to our Patreon page, go to our GoFundMe, because we need to have a lot of things. We need to put them together, like camera, and a lot of equipment, so that we can improve on a lot of angle, a lot of aspects of these projects. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate and I love you. Peace, man. Bye. You know, this is one of my student of knowledge. You know, she wanted to introduce herself. What's your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kali. I
Yeah.
went to Southend Primary School.
Yeah, China Wabantu. China Wabantu is everywhere, right? So this is my other student. His name, what's your name?
Matthew.
Matthew, yeah, he's grade 11, man. So his aim is to score distinction, right? So you promise, I want you to score distinction this time. And what's your name?
Joshua.
Joshua, how much you promise me to score this time?
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so China Wabantu is everywhere, man.
China Wabantu.
Uh-huh.
China Wabantu everywhere.
Everywhere.
China Wabantu
Exactly.
everywhere.
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. If you had to give advice, which advice would you give to the people or to the students?
Trust Amish.
Why would they trust me?
No, because it's really good. It actually has helped a lot. I redid first year for maths. It was my own fault, but also I didn't know a lot of the work. And Amish said lots of hard questions, and it's demotivating sometimes to do the harder stuff. You like just want to get done, but it's the hard stuff that makes you realize the easy stuff is easy.
Abunga